Hi, my name is Travis Carrier, and I'm here with the School of Images. I'm excited to announce that on April 13th and 14th, I will be teaching the school's foundational workshop, Kabbalah and the Power of Dreaming. In this 2-day workshop, you will learn how to bridge the gap between the thinking, rational mind and the imaginal, experiencing, and creative self that is informing the entire way of living your life. We are so much more than our sequential existence in time. It is through the vertical axis of dreams that we call the dream field that you can learn to connect and create and manifest your life in new ways. Dreaming breaks through the time that you're used to return you to a different orientation. So you will gain in this workshop new insights about how to do this, about your dreams and imagery, and about revelatory paths to better manifest the true vision of your life. If you want to learn more, I will also be hosting a short taste on March 9th, where you can join us to get a sense of what Kabbalah and the power of dreaming will be about. I hope you can join us. We'd love to see you there.